Are calls from people you don't know going straight to voicemail on your iPhone 17? That can be a real problem, especially if you're expecting a delivery, a job interview, or an important call from someone who's not in your contacts. The good news is that this is usually caused by one or two settings that are easy to change. Let's go through them together. Let's start by checking the Silence Unknown Callers feature. When this feature is turned on, calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts won't ring. Instead, they're sent straight to voicemail. To check it, open Settings, then tap Apps. Scroll down and tap Phone. Then scroll down again to find Silence Unknown Callers. If it's enabled, tap the switch to turn it off. Now ask someone whose number isn't saved in your contacts to give you a call. For many users, this is all it takes to get calls from new numbers ringing again. Now, make sure the caller isn't accidentally blocked. It's easy to block a number without realizing it, especially after declining repeated calls. Still inside the phone settings screen, tap Blocked Contacts. Look through the list, and if you find a number that shouldn't be there, remove it from the blocked list. Afterward, ask that person to call you again. Still not receiving calls from new numbers? It's time to check your focus settings. Focus mode can limit who can call you depending on the active profile, even if your phone appears to be working normally. Go back to the settings screen, then tap Focus. Select the focus mode that's currently active, then tap People under Allow Calls. From Choose Everyone, or make sure the people you want to hear from are allowed. If you aren't using Focus at all, simply turn it off and test another incoming call. Focus settings are often forgotten after being set up, so this is another common cause of missed calls. If everything looks correct so far, let's refresh your iPhone. A quick restart can clear temporary software glitches affecting the phone app or your cellular connection. To do this, press and hold the side button and either volume button, then drag the power off slider. Wait about 30 seconds, then press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone finishes starting up, ask someone with a number that's not in your contacts to call you again. If you're still missing calls, it's time to reset your network settings. This refreshes your cellular, Wi-Fi, and network configuration, which can resolve problems affecting incoming calls. Go back to Settings, then tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and follow a few on-screen instructions to proceed. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, so you'll need to reconnect to them afterward. After the reset is complete, let your iPhone reconnect to your carrier, then test incoming calls again. If you've gone through every step and your iPhone 17 still can't receive calls from new numbers, the next step is to contact your carrier. They can check if there's an issue with your account, your SIM card, call filtering services, or a problem on their network that's preventing incoming calls from reaching your phone. That's it for this guide. Hopefully, one of these solutions got your iPhone 17 receiving calls from new numbers again. If it did, be sure to check out our other iPhone 17 troubleshooting videos for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.